Assalamu alaikum, this is Azeem, a digital marketing strategist, and in this video I'm going to share an ultimate on-page SEO checklist for higher Google ranking. I have already posted a few videos about on-page SEO, like what is actually on-page SEO, why, when, and who should do it, and what are top on-page SEO factors. I'll give links to these videos in the description below. So let's start talking about on-page SEO checklist.
Number 1 is keyword research. On-page SEO starts with finding the best keyword for a particular page of content. The best keyword is the phrase or term that is relevant to the main topic or theme of the content. The keyword should be an accurate description of your content. The best keyword is regularly searched by your target audience. The search volume of the keyword is large enough to drive traffic to your website from your ideal target market. After proper and detailed keyword research, choose one primary keyword and create content around this keyword to get posted on a single page. This is the keyword that will give you traffic on your website, and keep in mind that it must have enough good search volume. Next, don't assign primary keyword to another page. A primary keyword should never be assigned to more than one page of content on your website. If you assign the same keyword to more than one page, it can cause keyword cannibalization issues, wherein search engines don't know which page is more important and therefore rank no page. You can use a duplicate content checker to find issues like this on your website. Create a list of related keywords. Related keywords are terms and phrases that are synonyms or semantically related to your primary keyword. They are sometimes referred to LSI keywords or latent semantic indexing keywords. Perform keyword research to find 3 to 5 keywords that are related to your primary keyword. Once you have your primary keyword, develop a content plan for how you'll use it. Decide if the keyword should be a timely blog post, evergreen content, or a landing page. Decide how long the content should be and how you want the content to support your marketing funnel. Match the content to the keyword search intent. Create content that provides what the user would be looking for when they perform the search. Create content that is better than currently ranking content. Review content that currently rank for your keyword. Try to create a page that is more valuable, better organized, and contains original data. When you are writing the content for your website page, make sure to put primary keyword in title. Write a title that is appealing to both search engines and audience. Serve search engines by including the primary keyword near the beginning of the headline, and serve audience by writing a descriptive yet concise title that tells readers why the content is valuable. Next, add the title to your page and wrap it in an H1 title tag. H1 title tag is a piece of HTML code that tells search engines that the copy is the title of the page and an important description of the content. Write page content as detailed as you can. The number of words for your content will vary depending on the page's purpose and the depth of the topic. But as a best practice, publish pages that have more than 300 words of body copy. Aim for at least 800 words when possible, as more detailed posts will have a stronger probability of ranking. Focus on writing original content. Craft copy that is original and not copied from any other sources. Don't copy content that is already published on your website or published on any other site. Search engines may penalize your website or not rank your page if it has a content that is copied or duplicated from other websites. Write high quality content. Even when you create SEO content for the purpose of ranking, always remember that your number one focus should be your readers. Create high quality content that is valuable, useful, and well written for your readers. When you are writing content, try to use easy words. Writing high quality content doesn't mean writing like it's a college level research paper. In fact, it means the opposite. Write your content for an 8th grade reading level. That means using common terminology, not complex industry jargon, and writing short sentences and paragraphs. Add primary keyword in your content to create 2 to 3% keyword density. Help search engines recognize the main theme of your content by using the primary keyword throughout the copy. As a best practice, use the term 2 to 3 times per 100 words to create a 2 to 3% keyword density. Try to avoid going over the limit to avoid keyword stuffing issues. Write related keywords in the body copy. Refer back to your related keywords list and include each keyword at least once in your copy. Naturally incorporate them into your content. Don't force it. Make your content scannable. Both readers and search engines like content that's easy to scan and understand. Go through your content and use formatting that makes it easy to quickly scan and review. Break content into sections with descriptive subheadings. Use bullet points for lists of information. Use bold formatting or callouts to highlight important points. Set subheadings in different H tags. Help search engines identify the subheadings in your content and the main points of your copy by wrapping the headings in different H tags. Like the H1 tag used on your headline, these HTML codes tell search engines that the copy is important and related to the page topic. Use the primary keyword in first and the last paragraph. Show search engines that the page is closely related to the topic with a mention of primary keyword. Try to use the target keyword near the beginning of your first paragraph and within your final paragraph to reinforce what your content is about. This will help make it clear to search engines why your content is relevant. When you're done with your content on your website page, add internal links. Links help search engines connect and understand online content. Add relevant internal links to other pages on your website, and when possible, use the linked page's target keyword as the anchor text for the link. Internal linking on your website is great, but don't forget the importance of external links. Links leading to other sites also add context that helps search crawlers understand your content. So also include relevant, valuable, and high quality outbound links that lead to other pages when you mention a resource or cite a source within your content. Check the rank of the websites you link to and make sure they are high quality backlinks with a strong rank. Always set outbound links to open a new page. When a user clicks a link on your web page, you don't want them to leave your website completely. Set each outbound link to open in a new window so that your website remains open even if the user temporarily visits another website. Add images on your web page. Make the content more interesting to readers and show search engines that the content is valuable by adding at least one image to the page. Never forget image optimization. Before you upload the image to your website, name the file with a phrase that includes the primary keyword for the page. When you upload the image, also add the primary keyword to the title image. In one final place, add the primary keyword to the image alt tag for the graphic. Check the size of your image and make sure it's not so large that it will slow down the site loading times. Compress large files before you upload them to your website and resize images to intended display sizes. Next, the most important thing is to write SEO-friendly URL. Create a URL for the page that includes the primary keyword. Avoid adding any stop words, special characters, or unnecessary words in the permalink. Add relevant tags and categories. Blog post tags and categories organize on-site content and help search engines understand topics. If you publish a blog post, add categories and tags that are relevant to the theme of the content. Don't forget to optimize meta title tag. A meta title tag is a line of code that tells search engines the title of a page. It's also the title that appears on search engine result pages. Add a meta title for your page that has fewer than 60 characters. Includes the primary keywords near the front of the title. Add an appealing meta description. A meta description must be informative that supports the meta title. It also helps search engines understand the content and is displayed on search engine result page. Add an optimized meta description that has fewer than 320 characters. Include the primary keyword near the front of the description and include a soft call to action encouraging readers to click. Add structured data markup. To make the page's SERP results look even more fascinating, add structured data markup or schema to your page. Structured data are extra code that helps search engines to recognize specific categories of copy within your content. This extra code can lead to a boost in SEO visibility as well as rich search results. Add social sharing links. Content is more likely to be found when it is optimized for both search and social. Include sharing buttons, add click to tweet and other social sharing call to actions on the page. Always proofread your content. Before you publish a post or page, always proofread the content for spelling and grammatical errors. This is an essential part of writing, as it makes sure your content is high quality, authoritative, and worthy of being a top search result. At last, review your work. Check on-page SEO one more time before you finish your work. Use a tool like Alexa on-page SEO checker to scan your content and ensure that you hit every action item on your on-page SEO checklist.